Alright, so I am a university student studying law at UMona, and welcome to an above typical study day in my life. Right now, I'm making some coffee because I usually make coffee kinda in the mornings to just get the day started when I wake up to study. To be honest, I wasn't even sure if I was gonna wake up this morning to study. I went to bed pretty late, and here's why. And last night, currently like 12 a.m. right now, and I actually just got done submitting an assignment. It's literally due like by 12 p.m. today, and I just submitted it. I really procrastinated today, but I got it done 12 a.m. right now, and I was supposed to wake up early tomorrow morning. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was supposed to this morning, I guess. I was supposed to wake up early this morning to do some studying, but I don't know. We'll see if I'll still be doing that. I'm not too sure yet. I'm pretty tired right now. But yeah, give God thanks. I don't feel too bad, and I can actually make a little coffee real quick. So right now, I'm planning to go study a course called Law of Torts 2 because I have the exam coming up in like less than a week. It's one of my favorite courses, to be honest, because the information is actually fairly straightforward. So I think today is gonna be torts. For the most part, I'm pretty much like late night / early morning type of guy when it comes to studying, because it's like when the pace is the most quiet and the least distractions happen like during these hours. So I prefer to study during like the early morning, late night. If I study throughout the day, God gave me that strength to do that, because alright, let's get it. And by the way guys, I have some plans for today that's gonna make today a pretty interesting day. And as you can see from the intro clip, we're not gonna stay home the whole day today. We have plans. Alright guys, so currently I'm in the car. I'm on my way to the AC hotel this morning. Gonna be doing some studying there. It's gonna be pretty exciting, but I should say studying this morning went well. I only studied for like an hour, and it was kind of more of a refresher type of thing. So hopefully when I'm at AC hotel, I can get more in-depth with the studying. I have to make sure to remember case law, because it's heavily reliant on case law, to be honest, with the principles and such. I also want to let you guys know that this isn't really necessarily a typical study day, because most of the time I'm studying, I'm at home, like most people are home or in their room or wherever, just, you know, studying. Me and my friends went to AC Hotel last week. I had a really fun time there. It was overall a productive space because a lot of people were there like doing their own individual work and stuff, and it was a good environment, so I figured I'd go back there this week. And yeah, now I'm on the way there. Very much not typical for me to be going like out to study. But you know, change of pace, change of environment, it can be good. Yeah, that is the endeavor for today. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm currently in the parking lot for AC Hotel, and there's a staircase to go down to the ground floor, down to the lounge, which is where I'm going. There's this nice like background right there with the what is it, greenery. Looks nice for pictures. If only I had someone to take pictures of me today. The AC Hotel. Every time I come here, the place that I'd want to sit is gone. Cheese. You see guys, this is the big camera I'm talking about. Imagine me walking around with this. But I'm gonna try and get the content for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm in here now and I finally found somewhere to sit after like searching. But I found a good place, a good sleeper area. This is it right here. I have the decks in front of me. I have nothing to plug in a charge into. Update, I have successfully set up the setup, y'all. Here it is. Just the setup. I got my nice focus, man. I got my nice computer set up with the notes. I have my tablet over there, phone here, and water bottle, tripod. Guys, tell me this is not aesthetic. I'm trying so hard right now. So far though guys, it's pretty good. I mean, I've only been here for probably like 2 minutes or so. But what I can say about the area right now is that it's actually kinda loud. It's actually louder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know if I hope you guys can't hear it that well on the mic, seeing that I mic'd up. Actually, I think y'all can you hear it? No, y'all can definitely hear it, but anyway, I hope I'm louder than it. So what I'm gonna study is a topic called defamation. I'm gonna try and actually finish the whole topic. I actually started it like a couple days ago, and I finished a section of it this morning when I woke up, so I'm gonna continue, and my aim is to finish the whole topic this morning, and then I'm going to do a revision of the other 2 topics that I studied so far, because I'm ultimately not done studying. Wish me luck.
One hour later.
Alright guys, so I've been at it for like an hour now, and it has been good. I just been like listening to music and writing the notes on this iPad. Well, really it's the case law, because as I said, the case law is what's important, so that's what I've been doing. I'm trying to get the shots for you guys as well. Now that I turn the door, I'm hungry. I may get hungry, and like them a cook something, but it smells like it's like fritters or something. So I'll let y'all know what's happening.
A few minutes later.
Guys, they asked me if I wanted a drink, and I said yes. So I bought a fruit punch. Ooh, they really filled up this cup. I'm hoping it doesn't spill on these. I was expecting more of like blended fruit punch, but it's really just true juice.
I'm so tired, child. I'm so tired. I'm really tired.
Anyways, guys, I'm pretty much ready to get out of here. Like, I'm tired. It's only been like 2 hours, but honestly, I'm just tired. I want to do something else. So, I'm actually stopped at Starbucks. I said it. Starbucks. Double chocolate chip cappuccino. Where am I gonna sit? Oh, thank you. Wow, hearts. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna just sit right here outside, guys. Sitting right here outside. Never have I ever ordered Starbucks before. Like, well, no, that's a lie. I've ordered it when I was on work and travel. I'm gonna taste this. I think my own is the best looking Starbucks drink I've ever seen anybody order. Like, so that means I won. Oh, this camera gets heavy sometimes, guys. Okay, let's do the taste test. Tastes chocolatey.
Interesting.
It's so awkward seeing people just walk past me with my camera out, guys. Oh my gosh. By the way, I only buy that drink here because I see other people in there with it and they get tempted. So, to be honest with you guys, coming out and studying and kind of getting a change of pace and environment, it's good. Just like a lot of other people, I'm feeling some anxiety about exams and how I'm going to perform and my GPA and expectations and things like that. So, and I'm going through it. I had an exam recently. I don't think I personally did the best that I could have done, but that's why I'm trying harder with these next 3 that I have to do. Trying to get the A, secure the A in those, because we can't afford for the GPA if I get too low with the scholarships and stuff like that. And I'm sure a lot of people can like relate to this. But, it's just that anxiety, like just of exams overall. Drink is really good. And as much as I have those worries, I try not to be too much of a dull boy. So like I'm not necessarily studying like 24/7. I couldn't do that. I have to like take some time to kind of enjoy myself. Right now though, I'm not really binging anything on Netflix, unfortunately, because truly I not have the time for that. I know I'm setting up myself to go binge after exams, like what do you call it, Wednesday Addams. Yeah, I look forward to watching that from here. I know hype about it, so I'm gonna go watch that, give it a try. And see what to handle and things like that. And a part of like studying is just going out of your comfort zone like I did today and kind of just take a, it was really just me alone on the road today. And it's nice, it's not bad. It's not, you don't need to be around people all the time. You don't need to study in group all the time. I mean, if that's how you study best, but it's good to kind of take some time for study by yourself or just in general do things by yourself and see how it works out. I wrote down some exam study tips that I want to leave you guys with, like just to add some value at the end of this for those of you still watching. But a study tip that I'd give is you make use of study timetables. Study timetables can go a long way in helping you to be more organized and know what it is that you're going to be doing, because when you see the study timetable and your layout of what you're planning to study, it's going to make it so much easier for you to get the motivation to actually get up and do those things. Because so you can condition your mind beforehand to do it. It really do be looking like I'm talking to myself right now. You can try out new environments like I did today, whether it be in your house, at your school, a library or something. Try out a new study environment, see what works for you. And just kind of give your brain a refresher, Break from the ordinary is good every now and then. Take breaks in between your studying, It's not very healthy for you to study straight, like 7 hours straight, non-stop without a break. That gonna make your brain very much tired and exhausted, and closer to the end of it, you're gonna start not retaining things. So it's good to like take breaks in between, 15-20 minute breaks in between the study sessions. You can try a Pomodoro technique. I know I'll link Paige Powers' Pomodoro video in the description. She did a really good one, so you can try and follow that style of studying. And another good one is to use up the resources that are available to you, because there are so many there are actually so many resources available to us in this day and age, and I don't feel like we take full advantage of it, or at least not everyone. I thought that by the time I did finish all of those tips, the drink would have done, but guys, let my heart touch the drink. Nope, doesn't get better. Every time somebody walks past me, I still feel embarrassed, but may I make it work. Literally, this is where I am, by the way, guys. Literally in the main part, so people are walking by me. People are walking by me very often. Cars are driving past. Throughout that whole segment of me talking to you guys. Guys, please give me kudos for that, because that took a lot of confidence and not caring. By the way, guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to this shirt that I'm wearing. It's not good lighting. I have to give you guys a better view, but yeah, guys. So this shirt that I'm wearing, it's actually so cool. I got it from The Plug. Shout out to the Plug Clothing on Instagram. Check them out, guys. This shirt is the coolest shirt that I own. This shirt in particular, I'm gonna show you guys a clip. It glows in the dark, and I actually that's what makes it so cool. It literally glows in the dark. Bum 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 bum. Bum ba dum ba ba da ba da bum ba da ba da da ba da 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 ba dum ba da da dum bum ba dum ba ba da bum bum ba dum bum 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 bum. Right now, if you go and shop from them and say that you're coming from my video, they'll give you a discount. I'm gonna put what size discount on the screen, but they're really affordable. They're a startup, and overall they're a really cool like clothing brand. Name something even cooler than that. I love it. Ooh, the lighting is even better from this view. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I am going home now to sleep because I woke up early this morning after going to bed late. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good luck, all the best on your exams, and I hope that you guys could take away some amount of value from this video. Anyways, Shamar Costfield. Subscribe.